Studies show that a major earthquake is likely coming. And to help you prepare for it, our team at Motus Insurance has developed a new elective HOA earthquake policy that unlocks full coverage for unit owners without breaking the HOA budget. This type of coverage has not been available to unit owners before. No one would be surprised to hear that over 30,000 HOAs in California do not purchase earthquake insurance. And with premiums on the rise over the past several years and HOA budgets getting tighter and tighter, this number just keeps growing as more and more HOAs cancel their coverage. And even those HOA boards that do buy earthquake insurance often buy partial coverage. What might come as a shock is that when a board doesn't buy an HOA earthquake policy, no one in their community can fully insure their special assessment exposure from earthquake damage. This problem at the individual level is what the Motus Earthquake Insurance Program has solved. Now, before we tell you why our program is a win-win for boards and unit owners, let's quickly review why all HOA communities should take earthquake awareness and preparation seriously. The Motus program is the solution California condo owners and HOA boards have been looking for. Once an HOA board enrolls in the Motus Earthquake Program, each unit owner can decide whether or not they want full coverage. And because of the way we have structured our program, unit owners will receive the comprehensive coverage of an HOA policy with pricing that is 3 to 5 times less expensive than other unit owner options. And the best part is, unit owners are responsible for their own premiums. Billing is done between the individual and the insurer. Finally, earthquake insurance that doesn't destroy the HOA budget. Motus was founded on a simple principle: give individual unit owners access to full coverage at reasonable prices. Even though this program is new, Motus is backed by the 3 largest, most respected A-rated admitted HOA insurers in California. Motus is not a startup insurance company. Rather, our program is simply a new way for individual unit owners to directly access top-rated coverage that has existed for decades.